I'm sure many of you have heard of Podio, but if you haven't, it's a cloud-based work management software platform. It's designed to help teams of all sizes collaborate and get work done. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what type of software is Podio? I'll also discuss some of the key features of Podio and how it can be used to improve your team's productivity. What is Podio? Podio is a cloud-based work management software platform that is designed to help teams of all sizes collaborate and get work done. It is a highly customizable platform that can be used to manage a variety of tasks, projects, and workflows. Key features of Podio. Podio has a number of key features that make it a powerful tool for managing work. Some of the most notable features include tasks. Podio allows you to create tasks and assign them to team members. You can also set deadlines, track progress, and add comments to tasks. Projects. Podio allows you to create projects and organize tasks and other work items within them. You can also set project deadlines, track progress, and add comments to projects. Workflows. Podio allows you to create workflows to automate repetitive tasks. You can also use workflows to track the progress of tasks and projects through different stages. Spaces. Podio allows you to create spaces to organize your work. Spaces can be used to store files, documents, and other resources. Communication. Podio allows you to communicate with your team members using a variety of tools, including chat, email, and forums. Reporting. Podio allows you to generate reports on your team's work. You can track progress on tasks and projects, as well as identify areas where your team can improve. Integration. Podio integrates with a number of other popular tools, including Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. How Podio can be used to improve your team's productivity. Podio can be used to improve your team's productivity in a number of ways. Here are a few examples. Task management. Podio allows you to create tasks and assign them to team members. This helps to ensure that everyone is aware of their responsibilities and that tasks are completed on time. Project management. Podio allows you to create projects and organize tasks and other work items within them. This helps to keep your team organized and focused on the right tasks. Workflow automation. Podio allows you to create workflows to automate repetitive tasks. This can save your team time and help them to be more productive. Collaboration. Podio allows you to communicate with your team members using a variety of tools. This helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that everyone is working towards the same goals. Reporting. Podio allows you to generate reports on your team's work. This can help you to track progress on tasks and projects, as well as identify areas where your team can improve. Who uses Podio? Podio is used by a variety of organizations, including small businesses. Podio is a great tool for small businesses that need a flexible and affordable work management solution. Large enterprises. Podio is also used by large enterprises that need a powerful and scalable work management solution. Nonprofit organizations. Podio is a great tool for nonprofit organizations that need to manage volunteers and projects. Educational institutions. Podio is a great tool for educational institutions that need to manage students and projects. Freelancers and consultants. Podio is a great tool for freelancers and consultants who need to manage their clients and projects. Pricing. Podio offers a variety of pricing plans to meet the needs of different organizations. The basic plan starts at $9 per user per month. There are also more advanced plans available for larger organizations. Podio is a powerful and versatile work management software platform that can be used to improve your team's productivity. It is a great tool for organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. If you're looking for a work management solution that can help your team collaborate and get more done, I encourage you to give Podio a try. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to learn more about Podio. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.